it's Rachel from the So Happy Quilters Association, and today I'm over on the Isle of Wight. I'm going to be doing a 2-day workshop for a jelly roll race to make a whole quilt over the 2 days at the amazing Karen Robb Sewing Collective. It is based here at the Isle of Wight Pearl, and it's a great place because there's huge amounts of parking, so you can watch us get on with the workshop over the next 2 days. So this is the Karen Robb Sewing Collective workspace. It is a great workspace to teach in, with lots of tables and sewing machines and lovely spaces in the middle with ironing spaces as well, and kitchen and toilet through there, and a lovely little nook over in the corner to have your lunch. I'm really excited to spend 2 days here. And this is what we're going to be making, a jelly roll race quilt. Look at that.
Ooh, that's amazing, Linda. I've never seen
It is. Look. I'm just showing the mess. So I think the mess is good fun. Show the mess. So we've had a really wonderful day here, the first day of the Jelly Roll Race workshop, and all 4 of them have got their quilt tops ready. They've got the wadding in, the backing, and we're going to be quilting it and binding it tomorrow, so that's going to be really exciting, and they all look amazing. So let's get ready for day 2. I'm just pausing this video just to tell you about our free membership for tutors. You can go onto our website, click on the join button, have your information listed on our website and have complete exposure to all of our followers and members, and then you have the opportunity for us to help you to promote your tutoring skills as well. So what are you waiting for? Go on over to our website and click on the join button. So I'm back for day 2 of the Jelly Roll Race workshop here at the Karen Robb Sewing Collective on the Isle of Wight, and everybody's going to be wadding and backing and quilting and then binding their quilts, and by the end of the day they'll be able to walk away with amazing quilts all made. So let's get on with day 2. Oh, look at that. Yeah, lovely. Lovely. Beautiful. Wow, that is wonderful, Ruth. That is really pretty. Look at that. Well done. This one is Ginny's. Look at the edge. Beautiful. Are you pleased, Ginny?
Very
wonderful. Wasn't that amazing today? The ladies have got their little Jelly Roll Race quilts all finished and they're really, really happy with them. So now I'm going to head on home and have a cup of tea. But it's been fabulous. See you soon. Bye.
Come along to our first So Happy Quilters Association quilt show at Brighton Racecourse. Tickets available on our website. You can find the So Happy Quilters Association on social media and don't forget to subscribe.